Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit green screen videos in Edimakor step by step. First, download Edimakor from the video description and install it on your computer. Alright, once that's done, go ahead and open Edimakor. Click on Create a Video and then drag your green screen video onto the timeline. Now, just select the video clip, head over to View, and click on AI Tools. From here, hit Remove Background, and boom! Just like that, the background is gone with a single click. Pretty cool, right? And guess what? You can use the same steps to remove backgrounds from images too. But what if your video isn't a green screen one? No worries at all. Just import your video into the timeline, select it, go to View, and click on AI Tools again. Then hit Remove Background, and you're all set. So now the video is gone, let's make the video even cooler. First, head over to Media, then click on Background. From here, just drag and drop any background you like. Yep, even a video. Want to make it even more eye-catching? No problem. Jump over to Effects tab, and on the left, click on Body Effects. Now, just drag and drop any effect you like right onto your video, and boom, instant glow up. Once you're happy with everything, hit that export button and you're good to go. Easy, right? And that's it. Now you know how to remove and change green screens in Edimakor like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.